Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Orange Pop Bath Bomb. I did order this one in the mail with the rest of their holiday bath bombs, and the little petal on top of the orange was disconnected, but you can just like pop it back into place. So you saw that went flying off of it when it went in the tub. I'm not quite sure why this is considered a Christmas bath bomb, just in the same way I don't understand the Cinderella one, but they were released in the Christmas collection. And this one is 7 ounces, and it cost $6.95. And it smells really, really good. Definitely has a lot of citrus scents in it, including mandarin, tangerine, orange oils, and it had bergamot in there as well. And this is the same fragrance notes as their orange shower scrub and their Brightside bubble bar as well. So this one smelled really good. It did take a very long time to dissolve. I kind of think longer than most of their bath bombs do. And about halfway through, there is some red in there that started coming out. In the very center. There's also popping candy inside, which they've been putting that in a lot of their bath bombs lately, and I like it. It's pretty cool to hear it pop when it's in the bathtub. You can see the water kind of change. Started out as a light orange, then more of a dark blood orange at the end. I love dunking it whenever the center's cracked open, how it foams out of it. It looks fun. So I did return that to the tub and waited several more minutes until I thought, surely there can't be much left of it, but there was. Still a little chunk going. It was very foamy at the end. And at this point is when the popping candy was coming out of it and that you can hear it. And then in just a second, you'll see what the water looked like when everything was completely dissolved. And that is what I have for you today. If you'd like to see the rest of the demos from Lush, then make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.